There, fourth graders, Mr. B here. Hope you guys are doing awesome. Today is Friday, April 24th. We're continuing our reading. So if you haven't already from yesterday, make sure to do that lesson and take the Unit 8 Week 1 test. Okay? So make sure to take that test so that way you get a grade. Okay? So today we're continuing on. Items you're going to need: pencil. Highlighter is going to be optional like always. You're going to need your close reading article, Earth Changes close reading article, and then your Unit 8 reading packet, okay? You need to watch this lesson. Turn to page 9 in your Unit 8 reading packet. So we're skipping a couple pages here. So we're going to be on page 9 in your Unit 8 reading packet, okay? It's going to look something like this, okay? It's going to say lessons 3 and 5, volcanoes, famous eruptions, okay? So we'll talk about that a little bit more. And then you're going to need to open the Earth Changes close reading article to pages 12 through 19, okay? So it's going to look something like this, okay? So volcanoes, okay? So 12 through 19. And then after we finish that, you need to do reading IXL 006. 006. Okay, just that one up to score 80. Okay. All right. Let's get started. Okay, so today our objective, kind of very similar to yesterday's, is I can read to identify and annotate key details. Okay, so very similar to yesterday's. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna read paragraphs. So it's gonna, on your sheet, it's gonna say 7 through 11. You're gonna read paragraphs 1 through 11. Okay, read paragraphs 1 through 11. Underline the key details in each paragraph. Then you need to make a chronological list of the most important details of paragraphs 1 through 11. Okay. Just a reminder here, I'm going to pause the video super quick. Okay. You're going to be on page 9. Okay. So it's going to look something like this. So you're going to go. So what it means by chronological list, I just had to insert this stuff real quick. What it means by chronological list is the first, next, then, and then. Okay. Or you could also go 1, and then instead of the first, next, then, and then, you could go 2, 3, 4. Okay, 3, 4. Okay, so instead of these, you could go with numbers, but either one's fine. Okay. Next, you need to determine the main idea. You're going to need the main idea for your summary. Okay, so the main idea of volcanoes is blank. Okay, I'm giving you the sentence frame. Okay, next you need to give me 3 to 4 key details. Okay, 3 to 4 key details. Okay, so one key detail is blank, another key detail is blank. You need to give me 1 to 2 more key details on that. Okay, about the story in paragraphs 1 through 11. Next, you need to give me a personal connection. Okay, a personal connection you have to the story. Okay, it doesn't need to be super elaborate. Okay, just give me a personal connection. You need to write all this in your own words. Okay, and then finish reading the story if you have time. Okay, so same thing. Okay, as very similar to yesterday. Okay, we're just doing it with the story volcanoes. Okay, so only paragraphs 1 through 11 you need to read. Okay, otherwise, once you're done, make sure to do IXL 006. Okay, 006. We're back in fourth grade today. Okay, 006. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Hope you guys